Okay, cool. Like, how much do you rate on your beard?
Beard.
Growth, yeah.
Yeah. No comments.
Nothing specific, just like that.
Are you participating in it?
I have not thought about it, but now you guys are asking, so I may.
You heard about NoShaveNovember?
I know people don't shave this month, maybe.
It is a month which is dedicated for cancer patients, I think so.
Yeah, I think you don't need to shave throughout the November, right?
Yes, I've heard about it. Yeah, it's just like you shouldn't shave your beard in the month of November.
Are you participating in it?
I'm not.
Yeah, I am.
I have not thought about it, but now you guys are asking, so I may.
Yeah, basically, yes. In November, I'm not getting anything done. Like, I'm not getting my trim, hair, whatever it is. And I have a few friends, okay? So, those people used to grow hair to an extent. There is a way of saying that they have to grow the hair for some meters or some length, okay? And then they give the hair for the cancer patients.
How much you rate your beard growth skills?
It's very small now, so I would say 2 out of 10 or 3 out of 10.
No comments.
Beard. Out of 10, my beard growth might not be so good, but yeah, I can say it is about like 8. I can give 8 out of 10, yeah.
Nothing specific, just like that.
Out of 10?
No, nothing specific, I mean, just like that. I don't have hair, so just managing with the beard.